Oh my god. Look at that. That is... Oh my god. Alright, it's time to leave Lugano. Thank you, Airbnb, it was nice. One more time down. Sketchy elevator. Scary elevator where you can touch the door. Alright, new day. Still freaking beautiful today. Hello. He's breaking all of his wine glass. Today we're leaving Lugano, leaving the Italian section of Switzerland. And we are heading to the Alps today. We are going to Interlaken. We actually stay in Wengen, so that's gonna be cool. It looks pretty dope on the picture, so I'm very excited to see it in person. Our train out, we're gonna go try and get some gelato really fast again before we leave. Because we really want some gelato before we leave. Maybe buy a little bit of Italian stuff or something like that. Then we're gonna jump on the train, and the train takes like 4 hours to get there, so it's gonna be a long train ride today, but should be a beautiful ride. Because yesterday was a holiday, it was closed, but now everything's open today, so it's like a whole new world here now.
Get some Italian shoes.
Yeah, should we spend lots of money and get
just
some...
418 francs.
418 francs for some nice Italian shoes and
yeah,
suits and all that good stuff.
Pepe, aglio.
Questo è il pepe.
Pepe, aglio.
Non hai i truffoli.
Cannolis. Cannoli?
Some cannolis.
Cannoli. Set up.
Allora, l'originale sia pistacchio, ma sta bene anche il cioccolato.
Sì,
sono due che piacciono, se vi piacciono.
Yes.
Sono due classici proprio.
Pistachio and chocolate. Should I do the pistachio side or the chocolate side? I think pistachio.
Okay, pistachio.
I like pistachio.
Lui ha mai provato. Come? How's it?
Very good. Italian breakfast. What's our specials, Kyler, today?
Our specials are bread with prosciutto and cheese.
Okay.
Or also the salmon pancakes.
With cheese.
Yeah, that's basically
probably eggs Benedict is about.
The eggs Benedict looks pretty good, but the salmon pancakes definitely
salmon pancakes and cheese.
They definitely take the cake.
Nothing better than fish in the morning.
Che c'è parmigiano con tartufo, miele con tartufo, aceto con tartufo, olio e sale.
Oh wow!
Look at all these different like pasta sauces we can get.
Com'è?
5,4.
Like
Questi qua
mega
sono
silver
54.
medallion.
Sì, questo 14,90. Se no questi sono proprio buoni.
Well, I didn't get any gelato because I just had a freaking cannoli and some breakfast, so parang busog na ako. So Tyler, he needs to get his gelato.
One last gelato before we leave.
Train. Very innovative.
I am a lovely boy.
And we are now in the German speaking, so it's time for me to shine. Even though my German is very, very, very bad, but at least I know some words.
I don't understand anything.
Yeah. we've made it off the train finally. It was a long train ride, but damn, that was the most spectacular train ride I have ever taken in my life. This place is like, I'm speechless. How like, I mean, it's, you'll see everything. I mean, look at this view. I mean, what? Look at that. Look at these hotels. This is awesome. Update, we're not going to the top of Europe today because we missed the last train to go up there. So I'll have to do that tomorrow or Sunday or something like that. So I have to wait for that, unfortunately. So just gonna explore around here and just enjoy the views. Gonna go get some stuff at a co-op. Got some pies, some strudel. Look at all the cheese. Dude, there's nice salads here. Grab the meats. Alright, so we just went to this co-op store over there. Just getting this little snack because it's a lot cheaper to get stuff in the grocery store than to go eat it at a restaurant. So we got like some bananas, some meat cheeses, some chips in here. Champre. I had to buy chocolate because we're in Switzerland. Duh. Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna chill here. We can check in our Airbnb in like 40 minutes. And then we'll go back down to Lauterbrunnen, aka Rivendell. That's what we're calling it. So
AKA Rivendell.
I mean, that's where Tolkien got his inspiration for Rivendell, so. And look it up there. On the mountain. So cool. This is when you think of Switzerland. You don't think of Lugano. You think of this when you think of Switzerland. There's Lauterbrunnen down there. That's where we're gonna go in just a bit.
The hills are alive.
The hills are alive. Are you gonna walk all the way down there?
I've never seen hills so alive, man.
Dude, they're so alive here. Oh my god.
Switzerland's more beautiful than Lugano, but there's more tourists.
Yes. Sobrang daming tao dito. Hindi ko na kaya ng mga bata. Hindi ko alam bakit nagdala ka ng bata dito sa train. Kasi parang malakas, di ba? Narinig mo? Like, ano ba yan? Alright, what I was trying to say on the train, for those who don't understand Tagalog, I have no idea why you would bring your entire family when they are like freaking babies on like trips like this. Like, you think a baby can go in this shit? I don't think so. But anyway, on the positive note, we are in Lauterbrunnen, aka Rivendell. So let's check out Lauterbrunnen. This is what it looks like.
City of Waterfalls.
Look at that. So pretty.
Hayden and I are in Rivendell.
Yeah, this place is beautiful. And the lighting is muy maganda. Because they just combine Spanish and together. All kinds of shops here. Very expensive stuff. We're still in Switzerland. I mean, look. Going up there? I want to feel the water. Nakakahiya naman ako. He was dropped as a child. Hindi ko nakilala kita. Ooh! Ang taas!
It's slippery. Watch it.
Oh yeah, look at this.
It's raining.
It's raining. And here's the valley. Came from down there by the church.
Did you video when I was doing that?
Yeah.
Good.
So we're in the
You think everybody else heard?
We're right underneath the waterfall. And Kyler's singing Halo in the freaking tunnel. Yeah, people were filming you, bro.
Nice.
Look at this, we're right under the waterfall now. Woo! The lighting today is so maganda. Dude, we're like, the hills are alive. Do you hear that? There's like a sound of like, it sounds like thunder. But there's no like clouds to make thunder. We have no idea what the sound is from. It sounds like a rock is like tumbling down or the glacier is breaking. I hope you guys heard that. Like, we don't know what that is. We can't tell what that is. So that guy, he's walking down that way. He's like, and then there was like a few other people that are like, can you guys like get a picture of us? Like, they obviously think we know we're like professional photographers because I'm holding my camera right here. Kind of has his camera. So they think like we're like professionals, like we shoot for National Geographic or something. And so everyone's like, can you like take my picture? I'm like, yeah. Kyler's like, here, move your feet this way and model, pak, ganer, you know? Riley, we found a kitty. 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 Alright, so we just got done taking like 1 million Instagram photos. So now we're gonna go up here, get some dinner, get some fondue hopefully. This is a very Swiss dish. It's like cheesy fondue with you dip like bread and stuff in it. Looks awesome. Because we just talked to some people from New Jersey that we just ran into and they're like, you gotta get the fondue here, it's so good. So we're gonna try the fondue, hopefully it's still open. And then catch our train back up to Wengen, go to bed and wake up for the next day to go to Grindelwald. Some fondue.
Oh, look, the top of that mountain's getting cleared off. Where all the glaciers are.
Oh, we got the fondue. And she's getting some bread as well. Try with the potato. How is it? Very yummy?
That is very good.
We're gonna do potato, good old Idaho style.
Keep it Idaho.
Keep it Idahoan, you know?
Is that good?
That's good.
That's really good, huh? We have nothing like that in America.
Oh no.
Damn it. Oh, you lost it. Oh, you found it. What is it?
Muy bueno.
Mucho.
Mucho bueno.
That's Spanish.
Damn it.
Molto bueno.
Molto bueno.